you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are back with another Luvme hair wig install. Now, one thing about Luvme hair is they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. All of their wigs come ready to go with uncompromising quality, and of course they are at a really good price. So this wig that I am showing you guys today is actually one of their parting max wigs. It is a 7x6 HD lace closure, you guys. You have so much room to do different parting styles if you choose to. However, I will be showing you guys how quick and easy it was to install this wig because this particular wig comes ready to go, meaning she comes already curled, okay? She comes already styled. It comes already with the defined part and everything. Literally just throw it on, cut off the additional lace, and then you're out the door. Switching it up is everything, and Luvme hair is really good at providing so many different options when it comes to these glueless ready to go wigs. I will have the particular like texture, inches, density, all that good stuff in the description box down below. But let's go ahead and jump on into today's tutorial so I can show you guys how quick and easy it was to throw on this wig today. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and jump on into this tutorial. So really quick, I'm giving you guys an unboxing. Luvme hair sends a lot of goodies along with their wig units in itself. So here is the wig here. Once again, this is one of their parting max glueless wigs. It actually is a 7x6 closure. It is HD lace. It's 100% human hair, and it does come ready to go for you. Take a look at that lace, you guys. That lace is absolutely beautiful. Melts right in with my skin color. Literally nothing you have to do straight out the box, which is absolutely amazing. This is also an air cap wig, and air cap wigs are great for allowing your scalp to breathe. So let's go ahead and get started. So really quick, I'm going to give you guys even more close-ups of the wig in itself. Once again, this is an air cap wig, which means that the wefts are a little bit further apart, allows your scalp to breathe. This is a 7x6 lace closure, you guys, so you have lots of lace room to switch up the parting area if you need to. It has the non-slip silicone base, and it also has the adjustable strap for a nice glueless wig install. Once again, this wig does come ready to go, so it does come with the part already defined for you, pre-plugged. As you can see, the lace is pure HD lace. You don't have to do no bleaching or anything like that, so we are good to go. So the first thing that you want to do is just add some foundation onto your lace. Regardless if it's HD or not, you want to make sure that the lace matches your skin color. That way it can melt effortlessly. Then you're going to adjust that adjustable strap and then just go ahead and throw the wig on. Now, Luvme hair wigs are normally like a little spacious for me, so I do like to use the combs that are inside of the wig unit as well, just to make sure I have a nice proper fit, and also make sure that the lace is laying as flat as possible because we will not be doing any type of glue or any type of spray whatsoever. But you guys will see on camera that this lace just melted right on into my skin, which was perfect. So right now I'm just taking my wax stick, and I will be going in with my hot comb as well. I'm just making sure I get all of the flyaways, all the excess hair out of my face, away from the lace. That way I have a clear view of it, because I will be going in with my scissors to cut off all the additional lace that we do not need. Then I'm going to add a little bit more foundation right at the edges and a lighter foundation in the parting area. As you guys can see, that lace is melting beautifully, so I'm just dabbing a little bit more foundation right at the edges just to make sure that the lace is like really not noticeable at all. And then, like I said earlier, I will be using a lighter foundation for the parting area. Your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone, so that's why I'm using a lighter foundation in this area. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering why I'm doing this when the lace looks already perfect. It's mostly because I do not do the ball cap method with my wig caps, so the foundation helps to cover that up as well. But she was looking beautiful after, you guys. I was definitely impressed. So now I'm just touching up some areas with my wax stick and my hot comb. Of course, you guys know I'm a little picky when it comes to this. I really want to make sure that the top of the wig is laying extremely flat, but as you guys can see, this wig is looking gorgeous. Literally a minimalist wig, because I did not have to really go through my entire routine that I normally have to do, which I was definitely happy about because that saves me a lot of time. Now, even as I'm combing my fingers through the curls, I'm like, do I even have to recurl this wig? I don't think I do. And you guys know that's something that I normally do right off the bat, but I love the way the curls looked. It wasn't too frizzy or anything like that. So I was like, okay, cool. Let's just go ahead and touch it up. So I just used a little bit of hairspray, my wax stick, just to lay down any of the flyaways, and I brushed the product through the hair. And honestly, you guys, that's all I had to do. And I was so thankful because I'm like, yes, I just saved me so much time. And like I said earlier, if you are not comfortable with the C part that already comes with this unit, you have a lot of lace room on this wig. I showed you guys the lace earlier. If you want to do a middle part, you want to switch to the other side, you can definitely do so. It is completely up to you. But I really wanted to show you guys how quick and easy it was to install this wig right out the box, especially if you already like how it's styled. You know, it was absolutely gorgeous. Lace quality amazing, the hair quality minimal shedding, minimal tangling, and again the styling of it was absolutely beautiful, so no complaints over here. And we are officially done. How quick and easy was that, you guys? I was definitely impressed, especially being that I did not have to recurl this wig, which is something that you guys know I normally do right off the bat. So I was so happy with that. I love this wig. This wig is absolutely beautiful. Make sure you guys check out the description box because all the specific details regarding this unit will be listed there for you guys, including the link. Okay, you guys, we are officially done with the wig tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this wig in particularly. Now, I did give you guys a close-up of the lace earlier. Like I said, you can switch up the part however you choose to, but today's tutorial was really dedicated just to show you guys how quick and easy it was to install this wig straight out the box without having anything to do. So make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you think about the wig overall. Let me know what you think about the lace. Let me know what you think about this nice melt. I will see you guys in the next wig tutorial. Bye.